Hi there, my name is Brad Polk and I teach social studies at Centennial High School. And I just wanted to take a few minutes to go over some of the aspects of my Canvas course. So I'm going to go down from the dashboard here and I'm going to pick an econ course. That's the class I teach most frequently. And basically, the way I looked at my Canvas course is I wanted to build it like a website. That's kind of my structure and my idea. So I would have buttons and links that take me to the various pages, guide students and parents to where they need to go, hopefully in a manner that's quick and easy. So beyond, some of the introduction stuff, I organized my course by standards. And they kind of correspond to units. But a couple of things that I put in there that I wanted to point out that I think are pretty useful. Just general information. Students can access the syllabus, course textbook. I had some virtual classes, so some virtual classroom things in there, the course standards. But one thing I think has been really helpful is I created this frequently asked questions page. And so that page really kind of is that one place I send students and parents first. If they have questions, of course, they can email me if I don't cover those. And then as I get more frequently asked questions, I sort of build more of that in there and put that in there. So I think that's a pretty useful thing. And like I said, I built this whole thing kind of like a website. So if we go to, for example, looking at standard one, the way I organize this, or the way I thought about it, is there's really two things that I want for the students. And so I kind of organized it by lesson material, and I tell the students that lesson material is the material I'm giving you. This is what I'm giving you to help you be successful and learn. So if you click on that, I organized it sort of in a calendar form. And then, for example, they can go back and review lessons. I might add videos or links to Quizlet, but I organized it based on, when I taught the lesson and when we covered these things. So that's the part where I'm giving the students information. And then instead of modules, I just chose the word evidence because I wanted to convey to the students that it was important that this is where you go to provide me with your evidence of learning, and this is what eventually what your grade would be based on. And that's where I built the modules. So that first module has economic decision making, and then our standards are based on beginning level evidence, progressing level evidence, and then at the end of the module, there's an opportunity for meeting and advanced level evidence. So again, that's just an example of me communicating to the students, this is what you owe me. So if you have work that you need to do, this is where you're going to go to find that stuff. And then I added some other things, of course, what does beginning, progressing, meeting, and advanced look like? And then some other graphic organizers to help them understand what it looks like to complete that module. So again, I just sort of looked at this as building a website and then using all those great features or functions in Canvas to kind of run from there. So, well, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it.